Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this bomb wig that I have installed. If you guys want to find out all the details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is YGwigs. I've been fortunate to work with them a few times already. Today I have installed an 18-inch 13x6 HD glueless wig. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, natural hairline. It also has a bleached knot. Put it on and you're ready to go. If you guys pick up this little blow drying 3-in-1 tool, you're gonna be living your best life. If you guys want to wear this wig glueless, you can, because it has this little V that has a little metal thing and you can bend that down so that part doesn't stick up. As you can see, like, look at it. It's not giving sticking up, you know what I mean? My makeup is playing me as usual, so I'm just gonna clean up those spots. I think we're gonna do some sideburns. I don't know if I'm gonna do baby hairs right now. I haven't decided. I need to do the sideburns first and then decide. I heard if you use wax stick and spritz, it lays that really nicely. Let us see. I think we're gonna do no baby hairs, but before we go into the styling of the hair, I'm just gonna clean up my part. I'm gonna spray some hairspray on the part. I just want it slightly damp, not really, not wet. When I'm using this tool, I'm also like spinning it because it is sort of like a round brush. You guys, this tool is amazing. It gets so hot. I'm impressed because in the salons, I did use a round brush with the blow dryer, and this is basically that in one tool. So I really love this. Like if I had this tool when I was in the hair salon, it would have been a wrap for me. I would have been giving the girls blowouts like no tomorrow. Definitely recommend you guys checking this tool out. It has 3 different settings, low, medium, and high. And when I tell you high is hot, it'll straighten your hair. As you can see, the hair is like bone straight. I'm gonna have the link for that as well in the description box. So what I really love about this unit in particular is the lace. The lace is fire, definitely giving HD. You don't have to put any products on it. It's just ready to go. You don't even need any baby hairs because it's just melting. Like when I put it on, it was easy to install. Every single wig that I've received from them has been superior quality, really good, high quality virgin hair. This particular wig does come in a highlight color. This is called the feathered look. So basically it is face framing. As you can see, it's cut there throughout here. You don't really notice it when it's like this, but you notice it more so when you curl it. You could do a lot to this unit, you guys, and it will look beautiful. So this style, you're not limited. If you are one of those girlies that really like a natural look, I would say this wig offers that. The length for sure, because it's not super long. It just looks more realistic. I didn't bleach or wash this wig. I love it. I think you guys should check it out. If this is something that you might be into, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. All wigs need to come like this. HD lace, pre-plucked hairline, bleached knots, styled, ready to go. Those are my final thoughts on the blow dryer and on this wig. I love it. I think you guys would really like it. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.